dinner.
Lunch/dinner, so whole pizza.
This is my daughter-in-law, by the way, Olivia.
Oh my gosh,
Look how cool this is. Do not pick the plants, but isn't that cool? Some more.
I pictured that movie scene.
Great way to recycle. Look at the size of those carrots. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Where she got the lavender field flowers over there.
Look at the size of those mushrooms. Oh my goodness. Beautiful plant. I don't know how much it is though. Beautiful. So beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at those. So Olivia bought some plants, and so did I. Let me show you what she got. Okay,
These are
that
nice
one.
places, but it's too expensive.
And this one here. Does it say what they are on them?
Oh my god, I'm gonna butcher it. I'm just gonna show you.
The location,
Oh,
yeah, nice.
Monstera. Okay.
And then I think this one says Monstera also.
Nice.
guess like different kinds.
Yes.
So,
Look at this one.
yeah, these little flowers.
I got a plant too. I had to put it in a bag though because it was ready to fall out of the pot. It needs to be planted better. Look at these. Man. We did a lot of walking today. We're tired. Actually made a little pit stop at Buc-ee's. Funny thing about this is I really thought this entire video was connected to another video. I just realized it wasn't, but you know what, it's actually kind of good it's not, because I ended up recording more than I thought I was gonna record. We had a great time with my son and daughter-in-law in San Antonio today. We went to the Riverwalk. They took us to, let me look back at what it's called. I guess they call it the historic plural, or Pearl? Plural, oh my gosh. The historic Pearl in San Antonio, and that's where we went to look at all the beautiful dry flowers, the market. We got our plants. So it's been a beautiful day. It's like 81 degrees out, no humidity, breezy. It couldn't have been more of a perfect day. So with that said, I have to get home. It's like almost 7 o'clock. I have a lot of work to do, which is what I was going to continue recording, which I thought was all on the same video, but it was not. But I have a lot of work to do. We're going to continue that video tonight, release it on Wednesday. That's a big video, guys, big one. It like changes everything on this channel. It's crazy. This is really crazy. I never ever ever thought any of this would be happening, and it is. And actually, when we were at the Riverwalk, speaking of YouTube, I don't know who it was. I'd have to ask my youngest son. But he was like, oh my gosh, there's so-and-so. And I'm like, who is so-and-so? I'm thinking it was like some athlete, famous athlete or something, like an NFL player or something. And he's like, no, Mom, it's some famous YouTuber that's got millions of subscribers. I don't know who he was, but sure enough, there this YouTuber was, and cameras following him, and I'm like, and then there's me, who's got, you know, hey, I'm happy with 771 subscribers. I couldn't imagine having millions of subscribers. Yeah, maybe someday I'll reach 1,000. That's like my ultimate goal, is like I'm so close to 1,000. So that's it. That is it for today. I thank you for watching. I hope you have a beautiful Sunday. We're gonna get this video completed, uploaded, so you have something to watch tonight. And I'm gonna keep recording my other video that is going to come out Wednesday. Wednesday is a big, big day. So hit that subscribe button. Oh, bye.